Greetings. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common concern many of us face: lower back pain. Whether you're desk-bound all day or wrestling with general discomfort, incorporating targeted exercises and stretches into your routine can make a significant difference. So, let's delve into some effective remedies to help alleviate lower back pain. Cat-cow stretch. Begin on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you arch your back, inhale, dropping your belly down and lifting your head up, cow. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin towards your chest, cat. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps to warm up the spine. Child's pose. Start on your hands and knees. Sit back onto your heels, extending your arms forward. Stay for 30 seconds to 1 minute, focusing on deep breaths to stretch the lower back. Pelvic tilt. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your abdominal muscles and push your lower back into the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then release. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Seated forward bend. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Bend at your hips and reach towards your toes. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling a stretch in the lower back and hamstrings. Bridge exercise. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet hip-width apart. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Knee to chest stretch. Lie on your back and bring one knee towards your chest, holding it with both hands. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. Repeat 2 to 3 times on each leg. Piriformis stretch. Sit with one leg over the other, hold your knee and gently twist your torso towards the bent knee. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Conclusion. There you have it. A set of exercises and stretches to help alleviate lower back pain. Remember to listen to your body and start slow. If you're experiencing chronic pain, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with someone who might benefit. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.